This is my dinner for tonight. Okra, eggplant, and tulingan fish. If you know tulingan, guys. OFW is craving tulingan. At isa na ako doon. So this is my tulingan. From Jersey City. It's actually, they are like almost $10 each. But it's okay kasi luto na siya. At ganito yung size niya. Medyo malaki naman siya. At hindi lang yan, masarap siya. Hindi makati sa bunganga. Meaning, parang fresh yan niluto nila. At kahit hindi naman fresh masyado, basta okay pa. Sarap niya, ha? Yum. Tapos nakaputos pa ng dahon. O, diba? Saan pa kayo niyan?